Welcome back to Digital Photography Masterclass. My name is Khayaz and I am your host. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 5 best vlogging cameras in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and have tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. For the best online prices of these vlogging cameras, I have included the links to the respective cameras in the description below. At number 5 is the GoPro Hero 7. Vlogging is one of the most popular digital content that we have seen in the last few years in YouTube and other social medias. To pump up quality in the content, every YouTube creator must invest in an excellent camera for the purpose. One of the best affordable option for vloggers is the GoPro Hero 7, which is basically an action camera and is extremely portable, has an amazing image stabilization and comes with tons of accessories, and top of it an amazing 4K capture capability. It's the best tool for vloggers, especially sports and outdoor vloggers. Let's take a closer look. For those who have used Hero 6 or even Hero 5, this camera will be no stranger, as it does not have too many changes. It has an amazing black finish and has a microphone membrane to improve the overall quality of sound and reduces any vibration effect. The all-round rubberized coating gives a good feel and hold. It's water resistant and allows you to dive up to 10 meters. At the back is a 2-inch touchscreen which is pretty bright and detailed for a small camera. If you haven't tried or used any of the GoPro cameras prior to this, you will have to take a slight learning curve. But when you get a hang of it, it will work like a breeze. The GoPro Hero 7 comes with tons of features. However, its biggest selling point is the Hyper Smooth feature, which improves the electronic image stabilization technology by combining both software and hardware. And on top of all this, it can shoot 4K footage at 60 frames per second. And the time warp feature is a cool mode to deliver time lapse and is a hit amongst content creators. In terms of video quality, this camera is excellent. It has amazing sharpness and delivers rich colors with warm natural tones. You can't find an action camera that delivers great footage in every ambient and you can use it indoors because of its wide range of ISO settings. If you want an affordable and versatile vlogging camera, this is it. At number 4 is the Canon G7X Mark II. Model after model, phone manufacturers have been improving their cameras, and because of that, point-and-shoot cameras have lost their charm. And since then, camera manufacturers have started churning out more powerful pocket shooters. And for vloggers, there is no point-and-shoot better than the Canon G7X Mark II. This camera has a wide f-stop zoom lens, a large sensor, a tilting touchscreen display, raw image, Wi-Fi, and many more amazing features. When you compare it to its predecessor, the Canon G7X Mark II doesn't look much different, but does have certain changes like the EV control dial and the lens control dial, which can be customized. This is the one pocket size shooter, which is the smallest 1-inch sensor camera in the market. It has a solid metal construction which makes it highly durable. On the back of the camera, you will find the superb tilting screen, which is extremely bright and delivers smashing sharpness. The live view mode works excellent, and the few buttons and controls it does have in this camera work perfectly in tandem with each other. In the autofocus department too, this camera is pretty good. With 31.5 autofocus points, focus is pretty fast. On top of that, the continuous AF mode works perfectly and gives a solid user experience overall. And the face detection you will rejoice while vlogging. The biggest selling point, however, is the 1-inch 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. At number 3 is the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS, which is one of the best interchangeable lens mirrorless cameras for vlogging. And not only that, it delivers solid photography performance due to its solid sensor, snappy autofocus, light and compact body, OLED viewfinder, vari-angle touchscreen display and 4K video capture with tons of features which makes it very easy to use. In the design and aesthetic department, the Panasonic G7KS is a stellar in my opinion. The company has adopted a more boxy and angular design overall, pretty similar to the Fujifilm cameras, but has a contemporary and modern vibe to it. Its hand grip delivers amazing comfort and security while shooting even one-handed. The control this device has is great and delivering some great creative freedoms like a proper mirrorless camera should. On the back, you will find the 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen display, which delivers plenty of sharpness, detail and colors with a perfect live view performance overall. The electronic viewfinder on this camera is an OLED one with 236K dots, making it one of the most detailed and accurate in colors. Like most other Panasonic cameras, this one too uses the 49 AF point focusing system that draws its power from the contrast detect sensor. It gives plenty of focus modes to choose from, and the experience while shooting is extremely snappy, focusing quickly on subjects. Its video shooting is excellent as well, tracking the subjects excellently. In the image quality department, it uses a 16 megapixel micro four thirds CMOS sensor that's pretty good at delivering photographs with good natural colors. The ISO range is excellent as well, ranging from 100 to 25,600. Making it a good low light performer and works without taking the charm out of the photograph. The biggest selling point of the Panasonic G7 case is the ability to shoot 4K video, a feature which is best in its class thanks to its continuous autofocus mode mechanism which tracks the subject without any compromise. At number 2 is the Sony Alpha A6000. If you would like to buy a camera that can do everything, I would suggest a camera that would do everything properly and will deliver excellent value for its price. And no other camera can do this better than the Sony Alpha A6000. This mirrorless interchangeable lens camera delivers a solid set of features that is amazingly portable, great autofocus system, amazing video performance and many more. The greatest feature of the Sony Alpha A6000 is the design perspective and its compact size. It's just half the size of a normal DSLR and delivers great performance, and Sony has made excellent build material choices. This camera has a pretty amazing hand grip that makes it very easy to hold even with large lenses. It also has a great electronic viewfinder and a built-in flash as well. The controls of this camera delivers amazing creative freedom without making anything complicated. And the 3-inch LCD screen of 921K resolution is perfect as well. This interchangeable mirrorless camera is equipped with an amazing 24 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that's present in Sony's flagship models. And on top of that, it has a Bion's image processor that delivers perfect photographs as well. In the lens department, Sony offers you a wide choice and is adding new lenses very frequently. In the video shooting department, the Sony Alpha A6000 is excellent, thanks to its amazing amount of controls and the autofocus performance making it one of the very best. It can record full HD video at 60 frames per second in progressive mode and even 24 FPS film-like shooting, delivering excellent results in a variety of settings. The Sony Alpha A6000 delivers plenty of value for its asking price. At number 1 is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. Coming at the top of the list is a digital single lens reflex camera, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II full frame camera. This camera is really better suited to the hands of a true professional. But if you require amazing quality footage and can afford the premium price, with Canon EOS 6D Mark II you're in for a treat. This camera has amazing connectivity options, superb vari-angle touchscreen display, solid build quality, exceptional balance and comfort, perfect autofocus system, lengthy battery life and many more. It's a very well built device that gives a high professional feel. It's solidly built with aluminium alloy, polycarbonate and glass fiber to make it one of the most durable camera in the market. Combined with its dust and moisture resistant body, you can take it anywhere. It's pretty light and very comfortable thanks to its design and well-balanced body that can house large lenses without any hassle. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II has a very sophisticated autofocus system, making use of 45 cross-type focus points. It's also extremely sensitive as it can go down to -3 EV, making it track subjects even in dimly lit conditions. On top of it, you will find tons of autofocus modes that allow you to customize it to your needs. For its superior image quality, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II makes use of the 26 megapixel full-frame dual-pixel CMOS sensor. That is extremely sharp, and its Digix 7 processor is best in terms of performance. It has an impressive battery life of 1100 shots, making it a beast. If you want solid quality content with your vlogs, this is the best tool. Hope this video was beneficial and will serve as a guide to choose your vlogging camera. If you would like to buy any of these cameras, the links to the respective cameras are given in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and of course press the bell icon for notifications. You may post your queries about any other camera you may be considering, and I would be more than happy to help. And do give your suggestions on improvements in the comment box. Catch you in our next session. Till we meet next, have a wonderful time. Thank you.